Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. After comparing the Firefly camera side by side with the SQ8, SQ11 and SQ12 micro HD cameras, now it's time to mount it on my quadcopters in order to see how it performs. I've used two quadcopters in this video. The first one is the XGB 145 and the second one is the Hornet 120, which unfortunately had a big crash and one of the motors was destroyed. So now I'm waiting on a new motor in order to fix it, but it survived the first flight in order to include some footage. And I also decided to throw in a small giveaway. So in the end of the video, I'm going to tell you how to win one of these cameras. So let's take it outdoors and I'll see you in a bit in order to give you my conclusion and also to tell you how to participate in this giveaway.
I should like to help everyone if possible. Jew, Gentile, black man, white. We all want to help one another. Human beings are like that. We want to live by each other's happiness, not by each other's misery. We don't want to hate and despise one another. In this world there's room for everyone, and the good earth is rich. We think too much and feel too little.
So overall, both quadcopters handle this camera without any problem. It's very lightweighted and the performance of this quadcopter was barely affected. In terms of the quality of the camera, I think that even though it's good, at least during the day, because during the night it wasn't better than the other cameras, I think that the perfect micro HD camera has yet to arrive, and at least on their next version they should upgrade it to 60 frames per second, because when flying these fast quadcopters, 30 frames per second is not enough. But still, you have to remember, this camera costs about $25, so it's not a micro GoPro, but I assume the technology will get better and better, and we're going to see a true micro GoPro in the near future. Now you might see my logo flying around during the videos, and this is actually for the giveaway purpose. All you have to do is just to comment down below how many times you've seen my logo, and one of you is going to win one of these cameras. After this video will reach 1000 views, I'm going to announce the winner on one of my next videos, and then I'm going to unblock the comment section as well. As always, I thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and you find it useful. If you have any questions about this camera, feel free to ask it in the comment section below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.